my daddy. Cheeseburger. Jacob, look. Jacob. Jacob, look at mommy. Jacob.
Jacob.
I'm gonna put you off the boat. Say cheese, Juju. Cheeseburger.
We rolling. Waiting on our Bahama trip. You playing down there in Miami?
JJ. Look, Daddy. Look, JJ. Jacob. Okay. I need you.
That and the line.
Can somebody help me?
You know that Pops, they say the best tasting fish is the one you catch yourself.
They feel be
I don't
it's
know.
bait right now.
Daddy.
They don't know.
Really? Hold it and reel it.
Hold on, guys. Hold on. Yeah. Hold on.
Can I roll it?
Let Grandpa bring him in.
Grandpa, can I roll it?
No, let him do it, Jacob. He never did it before.
You recording?
Yeah. Jacob, do it and we leave. Jacob.
I can feel him now. Yeah, I can feel it.
Whoa.
Can I touch him?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Cause
Can we keep him?
yep. Cause Grandpa's scared.
That's a big one now.
Grandpa. Yay!
Hey.
You got you one.
Can I have it?
Let Grandpa hold it. It's his first fish.
He kicking.
Go ahead and put it back in the rod holder right there.
Oh, okay.
Daddy, mommy.
All right.
Yeah.
Big
Hold it,
fat
Daddy.
fish.
Show him where to hold it.
So
What you holding?
you don't watch out for this
Okay.
fin, this fin, and this one.
I
They're
don't want to
sharp.
watch out for no finger. That's why I don't want to hold it.
Hold it. You gotta squeeze it. You gotta use your strength.
Good job, Jacob.
Well, I'm going to have him. What are you going to?
Just right here.
I don't want to hold it.
Hold him, Daddy.
I don't wanna
Grab
hold it.
your hand in the way he can't.
Hey.
He wanna hold him with.
Grab
Let him hold it.
Grab the tail. Grab the tail.
All right.
I don't want to.
That's it. That's it. That's him. That's him. That's him.
Good job,
That's
big
a
guy.
big one. That's a big one. Can I hold him?
Yeah.
That's a big one. That's a small one. He's fighting with me. He's fighting. I got him. I got him. I got him. He's big.
Keep reeling. What's wrong?
I need help.
No, you're good. Don't let him pull you. I got you. Go. Good job.
Oh, that's a baby.
All right, good job.
That's a baby.
Yeah, it is. Like a good.
Oh, so there was one on there. One on him.
Can you cut him? Yes. We cut him. Look, and I roll it.
Yeah, he fighting too. They don't want
Yeah.
to come in. They don't want to be on the grill tonight.
I don't blame him. It's hot in that kitchen.
Mommy, can I will him?
No,
They
you can
won't
reel
be
the
in
next
that
one. You
grease
reel one, right?
tonight. That Crisco.
I'm sorry, Mommy. It's your turn.
Oh, she got two.
Whoa.
So that little one we'll cut up for bait. We'll catch a bigger one with him.
Jacob.
Scoot over here.
Oh, he got a win.
Double. Doubles. That's pretty cool. You always catch these.
on there?
Uh-huh.
Oh, you caught a bluegill.
Oh, I got this one in the eye.
You ain't catch none of them in the mouth. Look,
This one in the eye. That was in the side. Poor baby.
Is that a bluegill?
that's a
Jacob,
perch.
hold the fish while I take him out.
Hold the weight. Don't hold the fish.
I'm gonna.
Here.
Is this okay?
fishing? You watching TV? Okay.
Can I hold him? And I'm watching TV.
Okay.
I'm watching a fish.
Okay.
We got 3 fish now.
That fast.
Where's the what we
That's
gonna
about
use
about
that?
20 pounds of
Are we
catfish in
just
there.
what we gonna use this for bait?
Yep.
I want him to use this for bait because
Got it?
he still has
Keep coming.
still has them on.
Big? Is it a big one?
Yes, it's a big one. Oh, he feels
Oh, yeah.
he feels like a big
Yeah,
one.
he's a big one.
He's sick. I think that's a short.
He trying to take the rod.
Oh no. Oh no.
You got it?
Yeah. Oh, we got him. We got him.
Put him in the boat. Put him in the boat before he fall off. He gonna fall off. Put him in the boat. Put him in the
You
boat.
got it? Oh,
Good job.
Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, that's a big one.
Good job.
that's a nice one. Oh, they biting over here. This a day's worth of fishing right here.
No, wait. Let's put him.
Look at you.
In here.
Look at you.
Let's put him in.
Come on, get him in the boat, Daddy.
Oh, you want it?
Yeah, we gotta
What
keep
you gonna
him.
do with
Either use him as bait or put him in the bait tank. Bring him over.
Put him in the bait.
Daddy.
it? I want something over.
Reel it in, Daddy. Reel it in.
I took your bait.
On both of
So,
them. They smart.
yeah.
They done took both of them.
Here goes some waves.
Every day. There you go.
That's a baby catfish.
This one is dangerous.
No.
It's a brand new day. Wake up every morning and say, it's a brand new day. Take a good day, make it great, okay? Cause if you got some lemons, make some lemonade. Yeah, chase those clouds away. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day. Okay. My whole life got them hand-me-downs, but what that meant was I had my family round. And sometimes I can't help but frown. Then I remember what I meant for. It's so simple, I just say, gotta just celebrate. It's gonna be A-okay. Life's too short to waste away. One step at a time's all it takes, okay. It's a brand new day.